Yeah, good morning. Yeah, I'm back again on a Tuesday. Yeah, we're still looking at oil. It could be UK oil, US oil. So oil, since we've been trading a correction, this was a complex pullback. This was the correction I was in. Uh, just like we saw, oil has been bearish on higher time frame. Yeah, we've been selling. Yeah, we've been selling oil. So on Monday, what happened? Uh, we just observed a gap that oil created. Hopefully, there were some fundamentals here which made this gap to happen. So this is the gap which was observed on Monday when we came into a new week. So my entries were here, were down here. Yeah, my entries were down here. I had to take a buy on UK and US oil. I traded two oils. So basically, I had to hold this buy. But I jumped out around here. This is where I jumped out yesterday. It was around 1 o'clock, 2:30. Yeah, I jumped around here. Yeah, when the gap was fully closed. So according to my narrative, still remains that I'm still targeting this weekly swing low. This is my draw on liquidity. If we come on weekly, you could see I'm still anticipating for this weekly swing low as my overall target. So H4, you could see the current range that we have, the current order flow leg is here from this high to the low. So basically, this retracement had to happen because of this gap to be filled. So my area or point of interest is basically here. This is where I'm expecting to sell off oil. Definitely. Yeah. So it could be a confirmation entry here. You could see we've been having such a deep pullback towards the upside, towards the areas of premium. Understand, attacking my area of interest. Since my area of interest is on H1, I'll be waiting for a confirmation on 5 minutes. Confirmation on 5 minutes, I'll be waiting for a pattern. It could be a breaker block pattern, or it could be a mitigation block pattern, or yeah, definitely those are the two patterns that I make entries on. So I'm waiting for something like this for oil to tapping, then I'll confirm. I'll do a confirmation entry. Confirmation entry could be either a mitigation block pattern formation or a breaker block pattern formation. Then I will continue to sell. Okay, talking about the fundamentals which are driving oil, it's clear that Saudi Arabia and other OPEC oil producing countries, OPEC, yeah, they came out with the statement that they will still continue to put more supply of oil into the market. They will still they will still release, they will still conduct more supply on oil, which means we expecting further drop in oil prices, yeah, in the coming month. They said from with the effect from the effect actually from June, yes, they will start producing more oil into the market, which means I'm still expecting oil prices to see that they continue to drop. So I'm waiting for a sell as a continuation. I'm waiting for a sell as a continuation, and this sell still is the sell which is gonna lead me to the weekly low, and this is gonna be a swing definitely. I'm willing to hold it. I'm willing to hold it. Yeah. So basically, this is what I wanted to update you on. This is oil, US oil and UK oil. They move the same. They are highly correlated. You could see US oil has tapped. This is Brent. Yeah, it has tapped our area of interest, POI. So basically, for a quicker an early confirmation, I would love to use 1 minute. 1 minute, I would wait for a choke. Choke could be formed after a displacement. Displacement simply means the presence of an imbalance left behind when price breaks structure, taking out the opposing liquidity. Then I'll make an entry as price retraces back to premium, to the order block or to that imbalance. Then I'll order sell. So this is oil. I think I'm waiting for a confirmation on oil, Brent and WTI. I'll be selling off oil. Targeting, the first target is gonna be on Brent. The first target is gonna be at 59. The overall target is gonna be at 50. Overall is gonna be at 58 for Brent. For oil, US oil, the first target is gonna be at $55.59, and the overall target is gonna be 55.18. So this, we are actually around the selling zone. I'm ready to sell upon confirming with my pattern. I'm waiting to sell it off. Yes. So this is what I had for today. Okay, even a USD card, just like I said, I'm also waiting for sell. I just missed this. I know I wasn't in such a hurry to take this USD card because I suspected some smart money trap. Basically, I was hoping that price would come and mitigate this fresh order block before dropping. So I would wait patiently to see that this happens. But if it doesn't happen, it's fine, because currently this is our origin now, but this origin, we have liquidity above. I don't trust this area of supply. It could be an inducement. So price might come, take it out, tap our unmitigated order block before the drop. For USD card, be targeting this low, this lowest. We're still bearish, though we've been consolidating for such a long time within a range. So that's what I had. So I'll be waiting for some shorts around here on USD card. I'll be targeting price level 1.37849. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Have a peaceful day. Sharp.